good morning. It's the crack of noon, and we're on the road again because that's what we do. Get up at the crack of noon and get going. We've left Perth and headed south to Mandurah, and I haven't got Mrs. with me this time. It's Big Boy. So both boys are with us for another week, and then they fly back to Brisbane. And G-Mar's with us, and she's going to continue down the southwest coast of WA. So Mandurah, and Shirley's coming off the top. We've got the whiting whisperer here, so hopefully we'll get a bit of fish, get a feed. What do you reckon, mate?
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. That's what I do every time I go fishing, cross my fingers. A lovely time in Perth with Jeremy and Ali had New Year's there. They looked after us again at the Quality Ambassadors, so it's been really good, and have the family with us as well. So, right, I will show you a bit of Mandurah and hope some fish. See you later. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Oh, right behind you. Before the bloody dolphins get them. They're pinching them off the birds. How cool is this? We've got dolphins swimming around, jumping out of the water. It is fantastic. We're just about to wet a line. We haven't been wetting a line because Dan's had the drone up. And oh yeah, we're fishing at Mandurah, by the way, in Dawesville Channel. So this the channel at this end takes into the inlet, and this takes you out to sea. And there's been a large pot of dolphins, and they're well fed too. Big buggers, just swimming around here and jumping out of the water chasing bait. Woohoo!
moments gone before I realized I was out of my way. We sit and talk, I see your crying eyes turning red through the day. I share my mind with no censorship, teardrops hanging from your upper lip, clinging on, afraid to fly, and I wait for the night when I will hold you tight.
Off to the airport! Dropping big boy off! Ah, everybody together! Ah. Come on, good push! Get in the steering. Well, good morning. We're on our way to pick up Gmo's van. Hooray! And it's Pud's last day. We're on the way to the airport. We dropped Big Boy off yesterday and Pud's turn today, but he's just doing a last bit of editing. There it is, of the 2 weeks the boys have had with us. So it's been fantastic, but exciting now because we're back on the road. Woohoo! Down to Margaret River. And we've got a few days there, and then we're heading down the southwest coast of WA. But we won't see the boys until Easter, Pud. That's all right. We've got the Eurythmics to listen to. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye. Well, hello. We've dropped the boys off, and it's just the three of us. The three of us. This is the Gmo's van. So you can see in the back there, television. It's got a lovely little kitchen. We'll show you a bit of a tour of Gmo's van.
My fourth bed in 4 weeks. You could call me a bed hopper.
She's been doing some bed hopping. Yeah, so it'll be Gmo and Sue driving the van, and I'll be in Lenny driving.
Talking to yourself.
Talking to Vera and talking to myself, like I'm doing now. But we have one more day in Mandurah, and then we head down to Margaret River. So